In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock YouTube on Google Chrome. Sometimes you might find YouTube inaccessible, which can be frustrating, especially when you need it for entertainment, education, or just to catch up on your favorite channels. I'm here to walk you through a simple process to ensure that YouTube is unblocked in your Chrome browser. So, let's go ahead and dive into it. First things first, launch your Google Chrome browser. Once you've got Chrome open, what you'll want to do is head to the Settings menu. You can find this by looking up to the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and click on them. This will open a drop-down menu. From there, hover over the menu item that says Settings. Click on it, and that'll open up a new tab in your browser, which takes you to the vast array of settings Chrome offers. Now that you're on the Settings page, look over to the left sidebar. You'll see several categories listed there. Focus on the one labeled Privacy and Security. Give it a click. This section contains lots of important features and settings that ensure your browsing experience is safe and secure. Moving right along, once you're in the Privacy and Security section, find the option that says Site Settings. Clicking on this will bring up a list of various site permissions and data settings. It's a handy place to manage how different websites interact with your browser. Next, scroll down the Site Settings page until you see the option that reads View Permissions and Data Stored Across Sites. Clicking on this will allow you to see how sites like YouTube are currently configured in terms of permissions within your browser. In the next step, you'll notice a search box at the top of the page you just opened. Tap into that search box and type in youtube.com. This action will quickly filter the list to show settings specifically related to YouTube. Once you see youtube.com in the results, click on the arrow right next to it. Here, you'll want to ensure that all necessary permissions for YouTube are appropriately set. Check that permissions like JavaScript and pop-ups are allowed. Letting these elements work on YouTube is crucial since they ensure the site's features run smoothly. Finally, if you observe that YouTube is still blocked after checking these settings, there might be a Reset Permissions option you'll need to utilize. Clicking Reset Permissions will revert YouTube's status to its default, which typically allows the site to function as intended on your Chrome browser. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should find that YouTube is successfully unblocked on Google Chrome. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps you enjoy all the content that YouTube has to offer. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.